Hello everyone, this is me again, Ashana. We have a food factory which is scheduled for interview tomorrow. This factory is making dried fruits. So we are looking for two people, and the salary for this is from 17 mang to 26 mang, and there will be bonus also. Actually, the company is giving a family allowance, a position allowance, and there is also housing allowance. So this is scheduled for interview. The factory is located in Nagano Prefecture. So if you are willing to apply for this is for interview tomorrow, May 10. That will be Friday. The interview will be in our office in Tokyo at Kanda Station. So if you are willing to apply, so this is a food factory. So please comment down below, or you can also call our office number at 0362068058. Thank you.